Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a update on my project pan for my yearly project pan. I'll have the update on the screen. Not sure which one this is specifically, but we're just going to jump right in. This is going to be a short video, as it always is. I only have 5 products in this update. I am going to be switching out some products, so definitely stick around to see what those products are. I'm definitely going to be rolling out a couple products, rolling in some new products, which is super exciting. So if you want to see my update on my project pan, of course, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like Dirks and makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload, and if you could like the video if you like it. And the video's gonna start right now. And if you're interested in today's makeup look, as you can see, it's very vampy, very Halloweeny. This is a full face of Dollar Tree makeup. So if that video is up already, I'll have it on my channel. I'll have it linked down below. If it's not, it's coming soon. So I'm just gonna grab something and we're gonna talk about it. First off, talking about the Colourpop Flexitarian highlight. You guys know it's been in here for a couple of updates. So let me give you guys a look at how it looked last month, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like now. So this is the progress that I'm doing now. I think I made some progress, because to me right now it looks like a big pan, but I don't know how it looks compared to last month's picture. I haven't looked at it since I edited that last video, but yeah, this is one that I use all the time. It's a really beautiful color. If you haven't tried out Flexitarian, it's a stunning highlight, and I use it as a cream highlight kind of moment. So that's what I use it for underneath my powders. This is such a beautiful highlight, and I've been using it. I'm going to keep it in this project pan until the end of the year. I don't think I'm going to finish this by the end of the year, but I just been enjoying using it a lot. You know, I reach for it every single time I do my makeup, except for today because of the full face of Dollar Tree, but I try to reach for this as much as I can. So yeah, that's a really fun product. As I said, it's like such a beautiful highlight, so definitely recommend if you've been eyeing it out. It's such a popular product as well. It's a cult favorite for a reason. So yeah, I've really been enjoying using that. Let's talk about something that I'm gonna roll out that I did talk about last month. So this is the Romantic Beauty ink dip liner. This is gonna go into my empties. It is dry. I don't use it anymore. I'm just not gonna go all the way in and finish every single drop. I'm just kind of done with this product, and I've been saying that for a while. There's months where I try it out and I use it a lot, but right now I think I'm good. Guys, I'm having like a makeup malfunction. I moved my fan so it wouldn't sound all muffly, but it's getting hot in here, okay? So I am rolling this out forever, and I'm just gonna throw in this. This is a Soraya Jade liquid lipstick. I found this at Hot Topic years ago. Okay, this is definitely possibly expired, but I do want to use it up. This is just a formula that I really much enjoy, so I'm gonna test it out. If the formula is just like changed too much, I'm just gonna go ahead and part with it, but I kind of want to use it a little more. This one here is in the shade Lydia. I'm gonna give you guys an up close look at the product. There is a little bit of holes in there because I used to use this so much. But this is just a stunning color. That's such a awkward position to swatch, but so beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll this in, which is super exciting. This is such a beautiful color. Next product I'm rolling out. This is just too dry to use. It's just too dry already. So I'm just gonna go ahead and roll this out. This is Italia Deluxe liquid shadow in the shade Nude in Ibiza. It's just like chunky, and I'm just not loving it. So I'm gonna go ahead and roll this out. I use it a lot, and I'm gonna go ahead and roll this in. We're gonna change the scenery for a bit. So this is a cream shadow, but it is a pinky kind of moment. So this one is the JCat Beauty Pressed Metal Chrome Eyeshadow Mousse, and this is so stunning. I used to rave about these. I use them so often. This one here is in the shade of Champagne Whiz, and it is a pinky kind of vibe. It's so beautiful. Let me see if I can give it a swatch for you guys with my extra long nails, but there's a look at that. So I'm gonna give you guys a close-up look so we could take a picture of the progress. But yeah, so you can see I already hit pan on it, but my goal is just to kind of finish it up and get it on my collection. Okay, next product, LA Colors Duo. Let's look at the progress picture from last month, and this is what we have going on now. I hope I have some progress going. I honestly kind of forgot about it last week, so I wasn't using it. Yeah, but hopefully there's some progress to be shown. This is such a nice product. I've used these up before. So the cream product I already know was going to go fast because I use it to set my under eyes, but the bronzer side takes a little longer because I don't need as much bronzer then I use like the cream shade for. I can set my face with it. I use it for my under eyes. I use it for a lot of you know, things on the face. But the bronzer, it only sticks to a little bit of my face, so this is taking a little longer, but this is such a beautiful product, so I know I'm going to keep using it, so I'm super excited about that. And lastly, the e.l.f. cream contour palette. I for sure have made progress on this. I've been using it so much. I try to use it every single week. So let's look at the progress photo from last month. This is what it's looking like now. So hopefully there's a lot of progress. Everything is kind of building up on the edges, so my plan is kind of just to take a little, I don't know, like spatula or something, and move everything to the center of the pan, and then hopefully just use it up completely that way. But yeah, one is used up already completely. We're almost through this, and then if I do finish that up in the middle of the update, I'm definitely gonna move on to this darker shade here, or the cream shade, I'm not sure. So we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this video today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices, are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. If you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have both my Insta handle and my TikTok on the screen. Definitely make sure you follow me on both. I post makeup finds, but I've been doing exclusive content on both of those apps, so I do specific things on Instagram, specific things on TikTok, so definitely give me a follow on both of those so you don't miss anything coming from me. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.